Hi class. Today we're going to look at a video about Wednesday's work and about teams. There's a lot of questions, so I thought I would start with that today. Let's look at our class page first on PowerSchool. So on PowerSchool, I'm looking at the language arts page right now, so let's go back to the landing page. When you first get on our haiku page, this is what you see. Distance learning information, how-to video links, our daily message. So I write to you every day and try to answer questions for people. We've got a link to our learning document right there. District logins, that means all the passwords for everything. We'll have a daily check-in down here embedded. Happy birthday to Davy and our other people that had April birthdays. Happy birthday to you. And this is our daily check-in to see how everybody is doing. Below that, we had our birthday song. It's all for fun, so if you haven't looked at that, that's a fun Minion song too. That's super fun. So over here on the side, if you look at the date right there, it says April 6th through the 10th. Click on that, and we have things for you to do in that page. So there's been questions about the assignment, so I wanted to clarify what we did for you. On that learning document that everybody got in their email box, this is the same exact one. If you click on it, it takes you to the document. There it is. So that's what everybody got in their email box. So there's all the questions and tasks that you were supposed to do for the week. So there's the PE document there, the art that's there, the other art, all of our math lessons, iReady, everything is there. So you can look at it and see what you're supposed to do. But also there, this is our landing page. We've got other documents over here that you can download. This was optional this week, but we'll make it part of your assignment next week. When you look at language arts, okay, so there's your language arts assignments. There's same exact thing as on your document, the assignments document. This is a discussion, and we've had 3 lovely classmates and talk in the discussion box, and the questions were all about water. Tegan has responded, Grace has responded, Ty's responded. Thank you to to those people who have responded so far. The questions were on the front page, and you were supposed to watch the video clip and then think about the questions. What is your opinion based on what you know so far? Remember our class discussion rules. Be polite and respectful in agreeing or disagreeing. Remember that the class posts are moderated by me, so I go in and read what everybody says and the replies. The questions are, one source of water that I know about is, okay, so where does our water come from? It is necessary to humans because, why do we need water? And a water shortage could be caused by, and you can get that from the reading or from the video link. I apologize, right now it looks like the video link isn't working, but I will go back and fix that now that I know it's not working. There's some more things for some more documents. Like I said, these are optional this week. Next week they will be part of your assignment. There's the WaterWise poster directions, but that's also posted in the art link. Again, here are all of your assignments for this week. Okay, and then this is what I'm getting questions on. The Word doc. Okay, the Word doc that is posted right here, over here, that's just for you to see what you're supposed to look for in the page, in your reading. The one on Teams, okay, the one on Teams is the one that is editable. That means you can type in it. You can type on the one in Teams. So let's go, oh, okay, let me go real quick. Okay, so math tasks are over here. It's just links to Khan Academy and iReady. We're getting ready to get you started on Fractionation as well and some other math tasks. We just wanted to get you aware of how this works and how it all comes together. We've got science and art tasks. Right here, your poster directions are there. My computer is running slow right there. There it is. Okay, so there's some video links. There's some materials for your art poster on water, so that would be great. Now, Teams. All right, so Teams, you log into Teams by going to your Microsoft Office home. And mine signed back out because it had been a few minutes and it logs out by itself, so I have to log back in. Sometimes it's temperamental. There it goes. Okay, so your landing pad in Microsoft Office looks like this. Okay, if your Teams, there's Teams, purple with a little T. If that doesn't show up, just go to this arrow, because depending on the size of your screen, sometimes that is small. So if you go to all apps, then everything shows up, and that just kind of overwhelming. So that's why sometimes you have to look for it, and it's all alphabetized, so just go to Teams. I have the desktop app downloaded, so maybe it comes up faster for me if I go to the desktop app. You should be able to use the web app as well without any problems. Now mine has a lot because I'm a teacher and I have all kinds of things that I have to do. So this is our classroom. This is our Teams app right there, Hankins 2019-20, 5th grade. So there we are. We just click on it. And like I said, my internet is kind of slow sometimes. And so when I post in that, it shows right here. And I can see that people have put little emojis here, and that's okay. There's all kinds of little things, reactions that you can put there, and I can see them. So I so I talked to Joel this morning, so Joel can see my post to him, because I put at Joel Ramos, so that's why his name is on there, because I was talking to him. So there's things that I can do on here, like there's a video camera right here, but at the moment it is disabled. It's disabled to work with students, but they're talking about allowing me to use that to talk to you, but we'll talk more about that later. I can attach documents here and edit and do all kinds of things, but the ones that you need to worry about right now, just for right now, is this assignments tab. So you click on assignments and you are able to see what has been assigned recently. So these are the things we were practicing on. We practiced on how to do things on Teams. So the two things that are posted right now are the Flipgrid video, okay? Because I attached that up here too. There's our Flipgrid app that's attached to Teams is right there. So all you have to do is click on it and log in. So how are you going to be awesome this week? That's your video assignment. The other one that I put is the Unit 8 text-based questions, and I can see that Lincoln has turned it in. There's people, it's not due till Friday, so Lincoln has turned it in. I can see who's viewed it, and other people have turned it in. So I can see that. The due date is not until Friday, so it's absolutely no big deal that some people haven't turned it in yet. I'm just showing you, this is, as a teacher, this is what I see. So I can go in and see your work. I can see that, okay, so let's pick Ben. His is not turned in, but I can see that he viewed it. So if I clicked on Ben, what I can see of your work is, there's the document, okay, right there. There's the document. So I can see it over here. This is what Ben has has seen. There, it's the exact same thing as the document in our haiku class. You can print, see the print button? You can print it out. Okay, you can print it out so you have the questions, but you can also type in it. So as a teacher, I don't want to click edit, but you guys can type in this document. Okay, so just open it up and you have options. You can reply and it just, you can see your answers right here. Okay, so when you're ready, okay, okay, this is my return button because I can write feedback over here. On your screen, I was looking for view as student. On your screen, you should have a place where it has an attach button and then submit. So I'm not seeing it because I am a teacher, so that's not popping up for me. But it's there. On your screen, it's there. Okay, so if you want to use basic features, I would go ahead and use the web app to type. You can copy and paste from another document if you want to. The desktop app is your full functioning if you have downloaded Word to your computer. And remember, you get free downloads, 5 per person who is enrolled in Murrieta Valley School District. So you can download the Word desktop app, or you can do the edit in browser that you can type in that as well. So another cool thing, Immersive Reader is a cool thing that will read for you. Okay. So that is an awesome thing. Just use your settings to take the tour, and it can read the document for you if you would like it to. There's the player button right there. But an Immersive Reader is something that's available to you in any Word document. It's a very cool tool. So there's the play button.
Short red 1, the water famine. Don't forget to race. Restate the question, answer the question, cite text evidence, and explain how the evidence supports your answer.
Okay, so as I'm reading people's work, that's the biggest thing that I see people forgetting to doing. They're citing their evidence, using words like in paragraph 2, the author states that, whatever it is, and which means that, okay, use supporting sentences to support your written work. So again, you can go, only this one is editable. The other one is just for your reference when you're reading. Now we had earlier in the year or other times, we were doing these things directly in the book, which I may reconsider how I'm doing this and have you write in the benchmark booklet if that is easier. But I'm trying to see how you guys do with writing on Teams. So again, the one in Teams can be accessed through your Microsoft Office account, and it is the purple one that says Teams. And these the ones that you use a lot pop up for you. Okay, so that's it. If you have questions, you can email me or message me and I will get back to you. If you message me on Teams, actually, I don't know if that's still working, but you can email me directly or you can message me on our haiku page too. And when if they restore the messenger and the video camera on Teams, I'll let you know. Please email me if you have some questions. And remember, everything is either in Office or it's on PowerSchool haiku site, either one. Okay, I will talk to you later. Bye.